Yeah.
She's not going to do it now, is she? Wait.
What are you doing, Jen? Show us your party piece.
Do that thing with your lip, Jen. She's doing this funny thing with her lip. Do it, Jen.
You're going to be on YouTube, Miss Jenny.
Do it again, Jen.
Show them what you do.
Do your lip thing.
Oh, Cameron.
What's she doing?
I'm laughing my head off.
You're probably nearly wetting us now.
What was all that about? Stirring it up?
She'll wait until I filled it and then she's...
With all that grass in it. You doing it again?
She's been doing it for ages. She was doing it before you came back, and I thought it was just normal pony.
She's not a normal pony thing.
I was laughing at her, but I just thought it was normal.
Have you had enough? Can I put the rest of this in now?